Hey everybody, welcome to Nyeli's TV. Today we're going to be opening this DJ Welder. Look at it. It's a really cool box. And look how much surprises it comes with.
15.
15 surprises, wow.
That's a lot.
Yeah. I pulled off the little thing that you're supposed to pull, so...
Let's get started.
So, I'm going to have to rip this... Oh, sorry everybody, Mama dropped the phone. Ooh.
What's that?
Can you read it?
Okay. It says features. Okay. Features. Lyrics, unbox, collect them all. Battery replacement. Speaker. Here, I'll hold it for you.
Oh, wow, look at that. It's easy peasy. And look,
So what is it? It plays records?
I just need to find out by opening it and see if there's a record. Ah, I got my finger.
Oh no.
Give me how, oh. That's how Luna got the top off.
Ooh.
Look at my doll.
Let me see. Cool. Open her up.
Let's open it last.
Okay.
Since
Ooh, 15 surprises.
look at this. Let's, a record.
Your record, baby.
Then we can put it onto here. Wait, how do you, can you help me?
You do it, mommy. Pop it on there.
There.
Yep.
Now, do this.
Let me see. We might need to put batteries.
Yeah.
Wait, where's the on button? Should have a button, baby.
There's a switch. Okay, so here's the selected side. Let me see her name. That one? Her name. What's her name?
Her name is Bangle BB.
Bangle Baby.
Bangle BB.
Now I'm going to open. The first surprise is a stand for her to stand in. So
Cool.
that right there. Time for the next one. I think we need the lights on real quick. Let me go. There. Is that better?
Yep.
Hey, you're showing my other toys.
Oh, I didn't mean to. We'll cut it out.
Okay. And then they have these little bows, hair ties.
Cute.
Put them in with the other ties. Time for the next one. She has her a comb with a bow on it.
Ooh. Super cute.
What's this? The sticker, Mama.
Oh, you can probably decorate your box with it.
Oh, yeah. This turtle. So this is to protect the record.
Yeah.
Slide
It's a sleeve.
Sleeve.
It's a record sleeve.
There, let's put that in there. Oh, the big one. Look.
What is it? Oh, nice. What is that?
Piano. There's little cases for something. Look, there's 2 little cases. What do you do?
Put this in.
Look.
Nice. So she can hold it?
Maybe. Now time for the next one. Look at these little cute pom-pom shoes. There's little pom-poms on the shoe.
Oh, adorable.
Look,
What's that one?
I don't know. Let's open it. It feels like a shirt. It is a shirt. Look at this cute dress.
Oh my gosh. She's gonna look so cute.
So cute. Let's put that in there. Now time for this one. It feels like a bottle. It is a bottle. It says P-O-P, and then it's yelling that. It says P-O-P.
Pop.
Pop.
Yeah. That's what some people call soda pop.
What's in here?
Let's see.
I can't feel anything. What is this? Oh, it's probably to do on this so she can hold it.
Oh yeah.
That's it. Now let's put this in there. Now let's open the doll.
Wow. Her hair is fabulous. Looks like cotton candy.
She has earrings.
Ooh, she's cute.
She has gel in her hair. Let's get her dressed.
Yeah.
So first, we're going to put these in her hair. Like that. One more time just to get that on. Dot it. Got it.
Let me see. From the front. Fabulous. She looks like a little rock star.
Now time for the dress. The dress looks beautiful. So first she needs one hand down. Then another one. Put that like that. Then put this.
You can do it. You can do it.
Now the tiny shoes. These are sandals. Actually, these are heels.
Cute.
Tiny little heels. Now, put on the tiny other shoe. She's already wearing some socks.
That matches her outfit. So cute.
Can you help?
Yeah, baby.
Mommy, I'm taking a bunch of pictures of you. Now I make. Where's the strip? Oh, there, the strip. I'm hungry.
Me too. Let me help you?
How do you put it on her? Yeah, put it on her.
Yeah. Oh, this is cute.
Mommy, take off your mask. He looked. How would they put it on?
I think she just holds it. I don't know.
Yeah. We'll put it up down.
Oh well, it still looks cute. Let me see her final product.
Wait. It can be like a little bat.
This is the baby. What's her name again?
Don't know.
Well, she looks cute. Nyeli put her together fabulously.
And
Give
then
her her little. She's thirsty.
she's drinking her pop. Now, since we don't have the screwdriver in here, we'll probably don't have to use a knife and put this out there. See what kind of batteries it is.
Okay.
You want me to go to the butter knife?
Sure.
Probably.